how to use the Stocks app on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, the Stocks app on iPhone is a surprisingly powerful tool that balances high level market overviews with deep technical data. Whether you're a casual observer or a dedicated investor, here is how you master it. You need to open up your stocks app, and then here you can see various data. You can just tap on it and then view the upward and the downward trends. You can see the day trends, the week trends, the months, 6 months, and even yearly to 10-year trends. So, here you need to touch and hold the chart with one finger to see the specific price at the specific time, like this. So you can just move your finger around and see the price changes in various periods in time. So you can swipe down, and then you can see various reviews and previews. You can see articles about it, and then you can see various metrics like P ratio, dividend yield, 52-week high, average volume. You can see curated feed of news specifically about the company, often pulled from Apple News. And then you can either copy link and share it with people or remove from watch list by tapping on the three dots. And if you tap on the three dots in the top right of the home page, you can create a new watch list and then choose the stocks of your choice. You can even name the watch list. And this is how you go through the stocks app on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.